Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many of you might be facing with the Hamster Kombat. The request error. If you're unable to access your account in or encounter a request error, don't worry, I've got you covered. This error often occurs due to server issues or a large number of users trying to access the game at the same time. It can be frustrating, but there are simple steps to take to resolve it. To fix the Hamster Combat request error, start by reloading the game few times. Sometimes this simple step can resolve the issue immediately. If the error persists, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can prevent the game from loading properly. If reloading does not work, check if your Telegram app is up to date, as Hamster Combat is access to Telegram. If there are updates available, install them. For Android users, you can also try clearing the Telegram app's cache and data. This often resolves connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the request error and get back to the playing Hamster Combat. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more related issues and problem solving videos. Thanks for watching.